Guys, today I'm going to talk about architectural engineering. What's architectural engineering? What's the type of architectural engineering? Now let's go for the video. Architecture engineering, also known as building engineering or architecture engineering, is an engineering discipline that deals with the technological aspects and multidisciplinary approach to planning, design, construction, and operation of buildings, such as analysis and integrated design of environmental systems, energy conservation, plumbing, lighting, fire protection, acoustics, vertical and horizontal transportation, electrical power system, structure system, behavior and properties of building components and materials, and construction management. For reduction of greenhouse gas emission to the construction of resilient buildings, architecture engineers are at the forefront of addressing several major challenges of 21st century. They apply the latest scientific knowledge and technologies to the design of buildings. Architectural engineering as a relatively new licensed profession emerged in the 20th century as a result of the rapid technological developments. Architectural engineers are at the forefront of two major historical opportunities that today's world immersed in. First, that of rapidly advancing computer technology and the parallel revolution arising from the need to create a sustainable planet. Second, distinguished from architecture as an art of design, architectural engineering is the art and science of engineering and construction as practiced in respect of buildings. Architectural engineers apply practical and theoretical knowledge to the engineering design of buildings and building systems. The goal is to engineer high-performance buildings that are sustainable, resilient, economically viable, that ensure the safety, health, comfort, and productivity of occupants. Uniting scientific principles from structural, mechanical, electrical, lighting, acoustical, and construction engineering. Architectural engineers apply their discipline-specific expertise to conceptualize, design, construct, operate, and maintain built environments and interdisciplinary team environments. Graduates of engineering are widely considered to be creative systems engineers, with formal training in creativity and design through architectural design studios, married with a solid engineering education. Architectural engineers have a lasting impact on society because people spend 86% of their time and indoors. Types of architectural engineering. First, structural engineering. Structural engineering is focused on the framework of structures and making sure that the building design is stable and can withstand the stress of the surrounding environment. The job of structural engineering is to ensure that the building won't collapse. These experts work alongside civil engineers and architecture professionals to create a solid design. Second, mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering professionals deal with the design and development of the buildings, electrical systems, sensors, and machinery. This includes the HVAC system, plumbing, electric generators, and rain gutter system. Mechanical engineers also design other machines that will operate inside the building, such as elevators and escalators. Third, electrical engineer, similar to mechanical engineers. Electrical engineers professionals focus on the electric and electronic system, both inside and outside of the building. However, this includes the wiring and lighting, as well as network and card reading systems. Some other type of architecture design. Residential architect, the name itself indicates the job roles of such architects. These architects are sort of private architects, dealing with clients on a personal basis. It generally means they are beside commercial architects who are more involved in the negotiation or Green design architect. Green or sustainable design architect are specialized in consulting and delivering eco-friendly building methods and design. They tend to have an in-depth knowledge of sustainable product with powerful green design aesthetics. It's a human as well environmental friendly approach that reduces the harmful effect of construction projects. Landscape architect. Architect or landscape designer are related to designing outside surrounding buildings. It's more of a common title for a licensed architect who work in a professional sense for outside spaces such as gardens, parks, campuses, and other public zones. They are engaged in structuring high compatible and effective surroundings. Interior design is another licensed architect who is specialized in interior procurement and designing of interior projects. They are predominantly found in large firms because of their specialist nature. They kind of stitch the inside department. Before you get into the lucrative career of an interior designer, you must know the difference between a decorator and designer. Urban designers are the architects highly involved in city and town planning. As the name indicates, the urban context is kept in mind while designing such urban buildings. It implies a citizenship notion with the real and public life. Urban design is concerned with organizing, analyzing, and shaping urban form to elaborate richly and coherently as much as possible. And the last one, industrial architect, consists of impressive work art of train stations, bank, retail store, factories, and so on. They are focused on kind of commercial products, but with enriching architectural landscape, the industrial design is very crucial to its performance. The subject of industrial architecture is about itself. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.